Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Yarn dyeing process. Yarn preparation, winding. Yarns are transferred from spinning bobbins to perforated cones for package dyeing to allow proper dye liquor circulation. Yarn cone taken to the package dyeing section. Scouring bleaching. These yarn cones are washed to remove oils, waxes, and natural color, creating a uniform base for dye absorption, especially for cotton. Dyeing, loading packages into the machine, adding dye liquor, salt for exhaustion, and chemicals, then heating to the required temperature, for example, 60 to 80 degrees Celsius for cotton with reactive dyes, for a set time. Rinsing, removing unfixed dye from the dyed yarn by washing with water. Neutralization, adjusting the pH level after dyeing. Finishing, applying softeners or other treatments for desired hand feel. Drying, using machines to remove moisture, setting the yarn's final dimensions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.